so much. Today, we'll be doing the sniff and tell.
Sniff and tell?
Yeah, Helen Keller. You're going to sniff the products and tell me what it is. You ready?
I was born ready.
Okay, you know you think you work here already.
I smell the shea butter, the extra virgin olive oil. That's in control. I use that to deep condition these curls.
Let us pray.
Black castor, coconut, that's buttercream. I use that to keep in this moisture.
All right. The time has come that we all have been waiting for. Based on your scores and based on your curls, I would like to announce you all have been accepted. Where we accept all curls and coils. Yes! I'm glad they got good curls, cause they sure can't dance. Girl, that ain't no way. That's a oh no.
I'm so excited to start our first day today.
Okay.
Curly advice to all those curl friends out there because you know we're officially curl friends.
Okay. Oh, I didn't see you or your edges there. Mr. Harry Combs, we'll see you ladies now. Come on, curl friends.
Good morning! What a great day it is to be a curl friend. Now, I'm so sorry if I'm a little late. I had so much to do to my hair today.
I'm so happy to be a part of the curl team. Thank you so much for the opportunity, Mr. Combs.
Don't mention it, T-Tree. I'm just so glad that you can take over D-Lo's new position as head curl caller.
The head curl caller.
That's right. You'll be in charge of all curl calls that come through. So get ready, because the curl line has been going crazy.
Dilo, are you sure I can do this?
I'm positive, girl. I can tell by your curls you got this. It's gonna be a breeze.
Hello? Welcome to the call center curl.
The who? The who?
Mr. Combs, is that you?
Yeah, you caught me red-handed. Now, I was really just calling to see how's everything going up there.
Not so well, Mr. Combs. I don't think I'm ready for this.
Listen here, my little flexi ride. You have to believe in yourself. Because here at the Aunt Jackie's Curl Consultation Call Center, we vow to our dear big sister Aunt Jackie to always remain curly and coily.
You're right, Mr. Combs. I must remain curly and coily through thick and thin, just like your hairline.
That's right. Now listen here, Twist and Shout. I am so proud of you. You really showed up and curled out today. Now keep it up, because we need the positive energy around here.
Thank you, Mr. Combs. I had a great first day.